In the heart of a vast savanna, where the golden grasses swayed with the rhythm of the wind, there lived a majestic lion named Leo. Leo was not just any lion, he was known for his striking golden mane and a roar that echoed across the plains, instilling fear in the hearts of all who heard it. The other animals regarded him as the king of the savanna, and he carried himself with an air of arrogance that matched his regal appearance. In the same savanna, there lived a humble and unassuming rabbit named Remy. Remy was small in size, with soft brown fur that blended seamlessly with the earth tones of the grassland. Despite his unimposing stature, Remy was well liked among the animals for his kindness, wisdom, and willingness to help others. One day, Leo, the arrogant lion, gathered all the animals of the savanna to announce a proclamation. I am the true king of this land, and from now on, all of you shall bow before me, he roared, his voice reverberating across the plains. The animals, intimidated by Leo's imposing presence, reluctantly obeyed. They bowed their heads in submission, all except Remy, the humble rabbit, who stood quietly in the crowd, unperturbed by the lion's demand. Leo, offended by Remy's defiance, approached the rabbit with a snarl. Do you not fear me, little rabbit? Bow before your king, he commanded, his mane bristling with anger. With a calm demeanor, Remy replied, I do not bow to arrogance, for true strength lies in humility and kindness. Leo, infuriated by the rabbit's response, decided to teach him a lesson. You dare challenge me, the king of the savanna? I shall show you the consequences of your insolence. The lion chased Remy through the grassy expanse, but no matter how fast Leo ran, the nimble rabbit eluded his grasp. Leo's frustration grew with each passing moment, and he became blinded by his own pride. In the midst of the chase, Leo stumbled into a concealed pit, hidden by the tall grass. The pit, a remnant of another era, was now overgrown and forgotten. As Leo found himself trapped at the bottom, he roared in anger and frustration. Remy, who had witnessed the lion's fall, approached the pit's edge. Instead of reveling in Leo's misfortune, the humble rabbit extended a paw to help him climb out. Leo, humbled by his own arrogance and the unexpected kindness of the rabbit, accepted the help. As Leo emerged from the pit, he looked at Remy with a newfound understanding. Thank you, little rabbit, for showing me the error of my ways. True strength is not in dominance but in the ability to learn, grow, and appreciate the strengths of others. From that day forward, Leo, the once arrogant lion, became a more benevolent leader. He learned the value of humility and embraced the diverse talents of the animals in the savanna. The humble rabbit, Remy, continued to be a respected figure, teaching the savanna dwellers that true greatness is found in kindness, wisdom, and the ability to rise above one's own shortcomings. And so, in the vast expanse of the savanna, a powerful lesson echoed through the golden grasses, a tale of transformation, humility, and the understanding that even the mightiest can learn from the meekest.